Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're serious about fishing and want to up your game, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best bait casting reels that offer the perfect balance of performance, durability, and value. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just getting started, we've got something here for you. All the reels we mention are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out if one catches your eye. Let's get started and find the reel that's right for you. Top 5 best bait casting reels. 5. Haibo Arise Ultra. Introducing the Haibo 2025 Arise Ultra casting reel, a next-generation innovation engineered for peak performance in seawater conditions. Weighing just 164 grams, this reel features a magnesium alloy frame that delivers a remarkable 33.7% reduction in weight without compromising structural integrity. The precision cast magnesium alloy gearbox side cover offers 1.2x better deformation resistance than traditional carbon fiber composites. An upgraded aluminum alloy damping seat enhances stability with ultra-tight tolerances of 0.02 millimeters, while the advanced one-way bearing design minimizes reaction gaps for a smoother retrieve. Powered by the Haibo Core 2.0 gear system, the Arise Ultra achieves superior gear fit, strength, and long-term durability. Lightweight, precise, and built to endure, the 2025 Arise Ultra sets a new standard in saltwater casting performance. KKR S26. The KKR S26 new DIY ultralight spool is a premium upgrade designed specifically for the 2022 Aldebaran BFS bait casting reel. Engineered for bait finesse techniques, this lightweight shallow spool enhances casting precision and distance with ultralight lures. Crafted from high-quality materials, the S26 spool significantly reduces rotational resistance, improving spool startup speed and overall sensitivity. Ideal for anglers seeking to maximize their reel's finesse capabilities, it serves as a perfect shallow spare coil for customizing or replacing your original spool. Whether you're targeting trout, bass, or other light tackle species, this DIY upgrade delivers top-tier performance with minimal weight. 3. YT Ambassador C4. The Abu Garcia Ambassador C4 casting reel is a high-performance Swedish-made reel designed for strength, precision, and comfort. Featuring a machined aluminum spool, it offers durable yet lightweight construction, weighing only 10.9 ounces. The reel boasts a fast 6.3:1 gear ratio, recovering 30 inches 76 centimeters of line per crank, and is equipped with the DuraGear 2 system for enhanced gear strength. Its synchronized level wind system ensures smooth, even line lay, while 4 stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 instant anti-reverse bearing deliver a consistently smooth operation. The carbon matrix drag system provides up to 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms of smooth, reliable drag pressure. With a monoline capacity of 320 wides per 12 pounds and braid capacity of 310 wides to 30 pounds, this reel is ready for serious fishing. Designed with a left-hand handle, it includes an ergonomically shaped bent handle and star for all-day comfort, along with a pin centrifugal brake for consistent casting control. 2. Fish MX Green. The Fish MX fishing reel is a high-performance bait casting reel designed for serious anglers seeking precision and power. Featuring a fast 7.2-to-1 gear ratio, it delivers quick line retrieval, making it ideal for lure fishing in freshwater environments. With a robust max drag of 10 kilograms, this reel offers strong resistance to handle larger catches with confidence. The lightweight aluminum spool ensures smooth casting and durability, while its ergonomic design provides comfort during extended fishing sessions. Whether you're targeting bass, pike, or other freshwater species, the Fish MX reel combines speed, strength, and smooth operation for an exceptional fishing experience. 1. Linhue Fishing Reel. The Linhue fishing reel is a compact yet powerful tool, featuring a small body with a maximum drag of 10 kilograms, capable of handling fish weighing up to 20 kilograms. Designed for durability and strength, it comes with a full metal spool, metal reel handle, and reel foot. The sleek black and red color scheme adds a striking aesthetic, while the EVA grip ensures comfort during long fishing sessions, preventing fatigue. Its hollow body and reel seat reduce weight, making it easier to manage. Key advantages include the metal wire cup, foldable rocker arm, and smooth grip. Available in shallow spool sizes 2,239 grams and 3,269 grams. It supports various line capacities, making it a reliable choice for anglers seeking both performance and comfort. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best bait casting reels. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned angler, there's something here to help you cast smoother and fish smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews. All the product links are down in the description. Feel free to check them out and see which reel fits your style and budget. Thanks for watching, and until next time, tight lines and happy fishing.